What's up, muscle car people? I'm Jared. We're gonna do a quick little video here. We've had this installed for a while. This is a debatable topic, intercooler sprayers. Matt down there and TJ, they kind of think this is useless. It might be. Mighty Car Mod said it wasn't though, and I trust them more than Matt. So, what it is here is we have a windshield washer sprayer that is off of my Fiesta, and this is the heat exchanger. The idea is it's going to spray water onto the heat exchanger. And we have tubes ran down. This is the one filled with water. It's just a standard aftermarket universal windshield washer fluid tank. It's pumped, got a pump. It just runs a little line over and it sprays out when you push a button. We're gonna show you how it works.
Gary, there's no water coming. You just sound like you're burning your pump up. Do you disconnect anything? Because like your lines aren't.
Is there water in it?
No.
Water in it actually.
There's no water in it.
Tell me if it gets full.
You're a quarter of the way.
All right, that was a quick little video. It's gonna be a lot more involved on your car probably. I just did it because everything was taken apart and the parts were right there. Will it work? Will it not work? I don't know. It was cheap, it was free, so what? Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, notification bell. You know what to do.
Smash that notification bell.
And if you got a fast car, you better bring it.